Okay, for my final project, I am taking the baseline of the Pull Everywhere lesson and technology that I used for a group project, and I am tweaking it and expanding it and adding Padlet to it as well. And Padlet I've come to really like the little bit that I have been able to use it. So I am logged in. It was very easy. I just logged in with my Google account. There's different options up here. This is where, when I'm ready to show my kids, or if I want to join someone else's Padlet, I can click on here and I can use the URL. Gallery provides some very good Padlets that have been made by other people, and they create a gallery out of different things that are on here. So for my purposes, for an English or a writing class, like this one's very good. Be a great little visual. It's already done for me that I can use and incorporate with my classes. And then as far as for the lesson that I'm creating with for this final project, I would create my own Padlet, and I wanted to use the back channel. It creates like a channel or like a chat room. And I would quickly go in, and I'm going to title mine what we're doing. So what the kids are going to be doing is they're going to be creating some background research on Edgar Allan Poe before we get into a genre study using several different excerpts and pieces by Edgar Allan Poe. He's pretty far removed, and my kids typically maybe have heard of him, but they don't know really anything behind him. So I can go in and I can title my Padlet. I can create different wallpapers. To keep it pretty simple though, I would leave it here. I click next. I can create it. I can make it private, password protected, secret, or I can make it public. Those with access, whoever I give, I can choose. Do I only want them to read? Can they write on it? Can they be a moderator? Basically, can they edit and approve and do things to other people's posts or not? And then I can add other contributors, but I'm going to leave it as is for now, and I'm going to start posting. So what I imagine doing is I would type in here to get the process started, and then I'm going to post. And what I want and consider having my kids doing is they're going to be competing in teams, and they will have one person from their team who will be posting, and this is going to just create like a corkboard of all kinds of different facts and information about Edgar Allan Poe. And we'll have probably 3 to 4 teams depending on my class size. Only one team, so they'll put in, let's say I'm one of the teams, and they'll enter themselves as team 1. They're going to give their fact, and then when they post, it'll have whoever it is, plus it's easy for me to see. And then so we'll have competitions on who can put in the most facts, who has the most interesting fact, who gets the facts up the fastest. It'll be a fun, kind of interactive, collaborative group way for us to jigsaw some information about Edgar Allan Poe. So that's how I'm planning on using it in my project.